New here at 5, North Carolina's top doctor getting ready for a new adventure. Last month, Governor Roy Cooper announced Health Secretary Dr. Mandy Cohen would be stepping down at the end of the year. She has been in the role for the last 5 years, leading the state through the most challenging public health crisis, which is the COVID pandemic. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Fred Shropshire. WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leshner spoke with Dr. Cohen one-on-one today. She joins us live from StarMed's vaccine clinic. Chloe, so many of us got very used to seeing Dr. Cohen in the public spotlight over the last 2 years.
Yeah, Fred, and Dr. Cohen told me that the transparency that they've had throughout the pandemic is what she is most proud of. She took part in more than 150 COVID briefings throughout the last 2 years, and we got really used to hearing her say things like the 3 W's and going through the metrics and, of course, pushing people to go and get vaccinated. And that is her final message as she prepares to leave the department. She wants as many people as possible to go and get their COVID shots or their boosters. We were first introduced to her in 2017.
Hi, y'all.
But it wasn't until March 2020.
I can't stress it enough. Your actions matter.
That Dr. Mandy Cohen became a household name in North Carolina.
We know that more than 1,100 tests have been completed in the state.
At every turn, trying to make really, really hard decisions that change the way people live their lives, and it was really, really challenging.
From the original lockdown to supply chain issues, slowly reopening and rolling out vaccines, Dr. Cohen guided the state through.
This is really worrisome.
She's proud of the work they've done, but says the team has learned a lot of valuable lessons.
The other part that we need to continue to do more of is think about equity at the start of the work, not as a reaction to seeing disparity, but actually build it in from the jump, from day one.
I think this is what it's going to take.
Like so many others, the pandemic has taken a toll on her personally.
And I was really proud of them today.
Cohen has 7- and 9-year-old daughters whose lives were also turned upside down.
For the first 6 months or so, I didn't have a meal with the family. That was a major change in our life as someone who prided herself on trying to get home for dinner every night.
As she steps away, she hopes to keep her family in North Carolina and continue to work in the health space. But she says she doesn't plan to run for public office.
It's very flattering that folks are asking that, because I hope it means that I have built trust and built rapport with people of North Carolina. I have learned so much about the state, not just in the pandemic, but over the 5 years of the work we've been doing to build a healthier state.
The next health secretary will be Cody Kinsley. Dr. Cohen said that he has been her right hand throughout the pandemic and that he is qualified for the job. Live in Charlotte, Chloe Leshner, WCNC Charlotte.
All right, Chloe, thank you.